friends, welcome to English Funda Kolkata. I am Ramchan. Now I am going to introduce with a boy who is a student of Bright Abacus Singur under Crosswind. And we are going to start spoken English. Now tell me about yourself.
Hello friends, my name is Paula Sajra. I am a student of class 6 of Gopalnagar High School.
What do you want to tell today?
I want to tell some bad and good things of our mobile.
Yeah.
So friends, in the present India and the present world, we are known that mobile is a good invention of our life. We are seeing many extra videos and we are make our knowledge more better, where we are see many news, we are played games in the free time, so that's good. But the bad thing is many kids are play game for the whole day and they are did not want to do their classwork and homework, so that is did not good for kids. So playing game is playing game, and there is also one side we are seeing many videos on YouTube or many other apps or websites, but many kids would see the videos bad videos and
Which is very harmful for their career.
which is very harmful for their career. They did not do their homework.
So will you allow the kids to use mobile phone?
Yes, I am allowed the kids to watch mobile, but I am also said that please watch mobile in your free time. First, do your classwork and homework, then see the phone and play games. But did not play games.
You can play game, but also you can think. You can learn a lot of things from the
websites and the mobiles, but
internet.
you did not see the phone for many hours and whole day long. You are played game or see the apps or the videos for
Okay. It is also harmful for eyesight, is it?
Yes, this is very harmful for our eyesight because many kids are see the videos and play games for whole day long and their eyes were destroyed. So I am also requesting you that play games in your free time. First do your homework or classwork, then play games or see the videos for half hour or 1 hour.
Thank you. So tell please.
So friends, are you like this video? So please like and share this video. Are you a new viewer of our channel? So please subscribe our channel and also click the bell icon to see more interesting videos of our channel. Bye friends, we will come with a new interesting video.
Thank you.